Hello YouTube, this is my first ever video about fishing, and we got the rods out, got one rod out, we got the boys over there getting sprayed by a fucking jet ski. But yeah, this is my first ever we got a whole pillion. We're at the mouth and we're trying to see if we can catch anything. So here's the boys. We got Brax.
Hey mate, introduce yourself.
We got Jesse.
My name's Jesse, how you going? Name's Brax. Love fishing, going outdoors. Fuck that inside shit.
Got the rods out, and you got me, Asher.
Always outside.
Love fishing. Never got the boat. Pretty good day.
We all have boats, but
waiting for some bites.
hey guys, just waiting.
Hey guys, we moved locations up to the rock wall, near around up in Noosa, and yeah. Alright, we're at the rock wall in Noosa. We're gonna cast her out, have a little flick. Reel it around a little bit. Doing the front hander, so it's not the best. Got the paddle tail on too. Right boys, we've had a couple flicks. You know what, one more won't hurt. One more flick. We're all gonna have one more flick. That's one for Jesse. There's mine.
See you guys, have a good one.
We have goofy old Brax in the back.
See you guys.
Pumping out shit.
Have a good one.
Yeah, have a good one, people. And that's amazing sunset.
It has this fucking... Stop, bro.